Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. Welcome back to the channel. This is Bomi from KajaKorea. Today, we're diving into another key part of Korean grammar, question endings. In Korean, asking a question is not just about the words you use. It really depends on how you end the sentence. Some endings sound polite, others are more casual, and some can even feel a bit blunt or emotional. Have you ever found yourself thinking like, wait, should I say 가요? 갑니까? Or 가니? If so, you're at the right place. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any lessons. Alright, let's get started. Let's warm up with one verb, 가다, to go. Now, listen to how different the sentence feels depending on how you ask the question. 가요? 갑니까? 가죠? 가나요? 가니? 가냐? All of this comes from the same verb, but each one has its own nuance, tone, and level of politeness. 어유. 어유 is the basic polite question ending that people use all the time in daily conversation. It's friendly and respectful. You can use it in most situations, like at the cafe, at the shop, with coworkers, or with people you don't know very well. Examples. 지금 뭐 해요? What are you doing right now? The verb here is 하다, and when 하다 meets 어유, it becomes 해요. Here, 아유, 어유 is used to ask polite questions. 이거 맛있어요? Is this delicious? The key phrase here is 맛있어요. The verb is 맛있다, and it becomes 맛있어요. The 어유 ending here makes it a polite yes and no questions. 씁니까? 씁니까 is the most formal and respectful way to ask a question in Korean. It's often used in announcements, news, speeches, or when you're talking to someone much older or in a very polite situation like at work or in customer services. It sounds serious and polite. Examples. 지금 몇 시입니까? What time is it now? The key phrase here is 몇 시입니까? The noun here, 몇 시, what time, and the verb here is 이다, to be, which becomes 입니까 in the former polite question form. Here, 씁니까 is used to ask a question very politely or formally, often in announcements, presentations, or formal settings. 질문이 있습니까? Do you have any questions? The verb here is 있다, to have, to exist, and it becomes 있습니까 in the former polite form. 더 씁니까 ending again shows a high level of politeness or formality, commonly used in professional or respectful situations. 지, 조. 지, 조 is used when you think something is probably right or probably true and you want to check it if the other person agrees. It can also be used to gently ask or suggest something in a friendly way. It's soft, natural, and keeps the conversation open. Also, it's usually translated, right? Or isn't it? 지 is used in casual speech with close friends, and while 조 is the polite version used in more formal or respectful context. Examples. 서울에 살죠? You're living in Seoul, right? The verb phrase here is 살죠, from 살다, to live, and we add 조 at the end. 오늘 많이 힘들었지? You had a hard day today, right? The verb phrase here is 힘들었지? And from 힘들다, to be hard, in the past tense. And we add 지 at the end to gently confirm or empathize with the listener in a casual tone. 나요. 나요 is a polite and gentle way to ask a question. People use it when they're curious about something but wanna sound kind and respectful. It's often used when asking someone you don't really know well or when you wanna be extra careful and nice in a way you ask. Examples. 무슨 일 있나요? Is something going on? The verb here is 있다, to exist, to happen, and it becomes 있나요 using the 나요 ending. 비가 오나요? Is it raining? The verb phrase here is 오나요 from 오다, to come. We use 나요 to ask a polite and slightly curious question, often about something you're observing or wondering in the moment. 니. 니 is a casual question ending that people use with close friends, especially between girls. It's also commonly used by mom or grandmothers when speaking to young children. It sounds soft and familiar, but don't use it with elder or strangers. Examples. 밥 먹었니? Did you eat? The verb here is 먹다, to eat, and 먹었니 is the past tension with the 니 ending. 어디 가니? Where are you going? The verb here is 가다, to go, and 가니 is the present tense informal question using 니. Again, 니 keeps the tone friendly and familiar, often used in daily life between people who are close. 냐. 냐 is a blunt, informal question ending used to confront, tease, joke, or ask casually among close people, often emotional or sarcastic in tone, but not always. Depending on your tone, it can sound strong, strict, or even rude, so be careful to use it. 왜 안 했냐? Why didn't you do it? The verb here is 하다, to do, and 안 했냐 is the past tense negative form with the 냐 ending. 지금 뭐 하냐? What are you doing? The verb is 하다, and 하냐 uses the present tense 냐 ending. Here too, 냐 gives the question a blunt, direct tone. It can feel casual, teasing, or even angry, depending on the speaker's tone and context. Let's take the verb 가다, to go, and see how it changes with different endings. 가요? Are you going? Polite and standard. 갑니까? Are you going? Formal and polite. 가지? You're going, right? Casual, seeking agreement. 가나요? Are you going? Polite and soft tone. 가니? Are you going? Casual and softer tone. 가냐? Are you going? But blunt and direct. Now, let's try the same endings with 맛있다, to be delicious. 맛있어요? Is it delicious? Polite and standard. 맛있습니까? Is it delicious? Formal and polite. 맛있지? It's good, right? Isn't it tasty? Casual, seeking agreement. 맛있나요? Is it tasty? Polite, gentle tone, often out of curiosity. 맛있니? Is it good? Casual, softer tone. 맛있냐? Is it good? Blunt or teasing, joking, or affectionate depending on tone. So, as you can see, Korean question endings are not just about asking something. They are about how you ask it. The ending you choose shows your tone, your attitude, and your relationship with the person you are talking to. Which of these endings have you heard in K-drama? Or which one do you want to try? Let me know in the comments and check out our website, KajaKorea.com. You can find full lesson and free resources there. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. 다음에 봐요.